Hey, just another simple video that might help y'all in the future. Look at all these halves. Look at this half, look at that half. I got a bunch of them down there. But the reason I'm making this video is to, these halves, they're mated together. So when the two come together, they're mated together. You can't be switching halves and halves together. It doesn't work. So if you ever pull an engine apart and one half ain't no good, you can't mate it up to another half. You literally have to have a mated pair for it to seal properly, for everything to be correctly, because they do change the width, I don't know how you want to explain it, the width, the distance, the thickness of the metal. It does change to decade, year to year, and you need to keep your halves together. See, I got these bolted together. They're mated together. Once they're mated together, they're mated for life. You can't be swapping them around, you know. So all these halves back here are pretty much parts if I need something like a timing gear. But I'll never, ever try to put two halves together that don't belong. See, I got these bolted up. That's bolted up. Got all them bolted up. So, all right, I just thought I was going to shoot another simple message. And I hope y'all understand that. They have to be mated. You can't mix and match. This isn't Arby's.